Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is air compressors and which one to buy and what I purchased. So stay tuned, let's take a look. Hey everybody, we are here at Harbor Freight in Marshfield, Wisconsin, and you can see it behind me. There it is, Harbor Freight. I really love these guys. They do a fantastic job with their tools. They've got more and more detailing products all the time, from microfiber towels to shop vacs and air compressors, steam cleaners, you know, all the tools we need to work. They even got some chemicals. And today I got here and opted to pick up the 26-gallon air compressor from Compressors, and it is ultra quiet. So we're here at Harbor Freight and we are about to pick up the Compressors ultra quiet 175 psi 26-gallon tank. We're going to get this bad boy home and get it unboxed and see how it operates for $3.99. A great deal here at Harbor Freight. They also have the 27-gallon right next to it. I'm opting for the 26 just because of the ultra quiet and what they advertise to be a super quiet compressor. So really stoked about getting this bad boy home. Harbor Freight also has a lot of other compressors, all different sizes, and they've got quite a lineup of Compressors, which is supposed to be their top of the line compressor. On the other side here, they also have some other compressors. They have the McGraw, which is a little step down, but also some other great options here. And again, like I said, up here we've got plenty of Compressors varieties here, sizes. So Harbor Freight does a really great job with these. So if you're near Harbor Freight and you need an air compressor, they got plenty of options. And there it is. We've got her tucked in the back of the vehicle here, ready to get it home, get it unboxed. So pretty exciting. We made our purchase and let's get her unboxed. Thanks for watching.